Experience the ultimate kitchen upgrade with the sleek and intelligent Zojirushi rice cooker. This compact appliance fits perfectly in any space while delivering professional culinary results. Admire the sophisticated silver finish that effortlessly complements your modern home decor style. Prepare your favorite grains easily with the durable and non-stick inner cooking pan. Securely place the inner pan inside to begin your effortless culinary journey today. Navigate the user-friendly menu settings to select the perfect cooking mode every time. Activate the advanced fuzzy logic technology with just a single press of a button. Relax and reclaim your time while the triple heater system ensures even cooking. Watch as the high-contrast display clearly indicates the remaining cooking time precisely. Hear the delightful melody that signals your perfectly cooked meal is finally ready. Open the lid to reveal the aroma of fresh, fluffy, and delicious white rice. Fluff the grains effortlessly to experience the perfect texture only Zojirushi can provide. Enjoy healthier eating options by cooking delicious brown rice with specialized heat settings. Start your mornings right with hearty steel-cut oatmeal cooked to absolute perfection. Discover unexpected versatility by baking delicious cakes effortlessly with this compact kitchen marvel. Serve your family and friends with confidence, knowing every grain is cooked flawlessly. Savor the incredible taste and texture that transforms a simple meal into luxury. Detach the inner lid easily for quick washing and hassle-free maintenance every time. Keep your rice fresh and warm for hours with the automatic Keep Warm function. Elevate your daily dining experience with the quality and reliability of Zojirushi today.